So far, I've been talking pretty much only about text, but OpenAI can do much more. I am talking about images. With the API, you can create images from prompts or edit an existing image based on a prompt, and even create variations of an image. To create an image, you need to provide a prompt and specify the size. At the time of the creation of this course, there are three sizes supported, all squares of 256, 512, or 1024 pixels. Smaller sizes are faster to generate, and you can request multiple images to be generated using an end parameter. The endpoint that you call is /images/generations. And alternatively, you can also use the library, which is a simple call to openai.image.create. Here's a sample of how you do it using the API versus how you do it with the library. Now, let me show you a demo on creating an image. I'll open the Create Image API notebook, execute the imports, and get the key. And here's the code to generate the image. As you see, it is very similar to the code that's used to call the chat models, just that the URL points to images generations, but the rest is very similar. I'm going to request that two images are generated with this size, a square of 1024 pixels. I execute, and here's the response. I get back two URLs. So I open, and here's my first order, and here's the second one. And this is how easy it is to generate an image using the OpenAI API. And of course, if I switch to the Create Image library sample, I can perform the same few steps, and with a single call, I'll generate the image. This one right here. As you can see, the response is pretty much the same.